Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. These are Baby Gem Boxwoods from the Southern Living Plant Collection in 2 minutes. I planted these Baby Gem Boxwoods around this formal garden last year in a video. I also have some on my front foundation and even some on the other, completely on the other side of my yard. All of them look absolutely fantastic. This variety can reach 4 feet in height and maybe 4 to 5 feet in width, but it can be controlled any size you want to keep it. Baby Gem was selected because it holds its color really well in the winter time. A lot of these boxwoods will turn kind of a burnt orange or off colored in the winter, and this one will hold its color very well. They're hardy in zone 5 to 9, so most people watching me can grow this plant. Boxwoods tend to like neutral pH soils. My soil's very acid. It hasn't bothered them at all. But if your soil is very acid and you're concerned about it, you can add a little bit of lime at the time you plant them and a little bit of compost, and that would be all I would do when you're planting these. These are tough as nails. They can be pruned anytime between late winter and midsummer without any problem. And like I say, we can flat top them, which is what I'm about to go around and do. I haven't actually done any maintenance to these in a year other than I fertilized them back in the late winter, and I would recommend you do that every year. Some sort of slow release fertilizer toward the end of winter, and that's it. And like I say, they can be flat topped, they could be cut into little round balls, whatever you want to do. If you just left it alone, it would just kind of naturally take a rounded shape that's slightly wider than tall. Really fantastic plants. Full sun or part shade is best. If you put them in deep shade, they probably do okay, but they may end up being a little bit thin on you. They're extremely insect and disease resistant. Super deer resistant. One of the main reasons people plant boxwoods is if they have deer issues. But I really enjoyed these. I've done absolutely nothing to them, but like I say, I'm about to go around right now and just very quickly take the tops off of them and get them all cut off to the exact same height. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.